Okay, so we're going to head off to the city market, have a look at that. Got about a 20-minute walk, 1.7 k's. Weather today is not real great. There's a cyclone sitting off the coast of the Philippines, so that could be causing a problem with the weather. Hopefully we won't get too much rain today. Alright, I think it's going to start to rain, so know anything about Philippine weather. When it rains, it rains. Look out. Rubbish collection day. It's starting to rain a bit. Might have to find some covers soon. But there's no sun, so it's made it a lot more comfortable. Still warm. Well, that was good. The rain started pouring down. Couldn't film it, but I was standing in the doorway of the university here, and the guard having a chat. A man called Albert. He's worked there for 13 years. It's a university that's been here since Spanish times. It's a very old university. Very famous, yeah. Okay, so that was a nice bit of rain. Very nice. Carry on, we keep walking this way. Yeah, so this part of town here is probably an older part of town, and it's very Filipino. With the normal Filipinos will come and will live, shop, and do all that sort of stuff. These jeepneys you see, they're slowly getting phased out for more modern versions, more environmentally friendly, safe versions. So eventually you won't see them. You'll see ones like this. That's the new version of the jeepney. Kind of sad, but they've got to move forward, I suppose. Okay, oh, one central mall. We found another mall, but we're heading to the central markets, the main markets in this area of Cebu. Hello, sir. Just walking. Everybody wants to know where you're going so they can get you a taxi, because they think us foreigners shouldn't be walking. Maybe we shouldn't, because it's quite hot. And of course, if we're catching taxis, somebody's getting some money from us. So, although taxis are a very cheap and viable alternative, easier to get than a Grab. You just wave them down, they'll stop. In Cebu and Iloilo, they nearly always use the meter. If they don't, you just ask them to and they will. 40 pesos on the flagpole, and most normal trips only cost about 100, 120 pesos, if not less. So that's only a few dollars to get anywhere, which in New Zealand or Australia that might cost you $30, $40. Who knows? This bike here, my friends, is one of the first bikes I ever rode on a farm in Leperton. Old XL125, 30,000 pesos. It's still a fair bit of money. Yeah. Wow, that's something you don't see every day. I would have ridden that in the late 70s. Look at that, another bike you don't see every day. From the 70s as well, by the looks. I forget what they call them. Chappie, I think. Yeah, Yamaha Chappie. See all sorts of bikes here. Old ones, new ones. Okay, this area is looks like where they fix all the cars. Part shops with parts, motors just piled high, chock-a-block, and God knows how they find what they need. I'm still trying to find this this market, which is up here somewhere. It's an interesting area. Bananas and boxes over there. This must be where they come in and then they distribute it around the different shops. Okay, we're getting close because this bridge here was on the map. Let's have a look over here. Wow. Pretty ordinary.
Your camera is very
Oh, right.
Sir, drive mango, sir, you try.
I might get some later.
Okay.
I might come back. Thank you very much.
Sige, sir. Thank you.
Sir. Wow. Well, if you're into dried fish, this is where you want to come. Dried fish as far as you can see. Wow. Don't know what sort of fish, but yeah. Let's explore. This is where you come if you want good, cheap, fresh vegetables. Not sure what these are. The wet market. Oh yeah. Sausages. See why these dogs are hanging around. Hello.
Hi, hello.
Oh, good. How are you? This your shop? Very nice meat. Very. Yeah. Good pork. Thank you. Hello. Well, I guess bloody dried fish everywhere, but since a lot of Filipinos probably don't have refrigeration, this is probably one of the best ways of preserving it and being able to eat it later. Not my thing though. Some dried mangoes. Might do some of that later. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Kabuan Market.
Thank you very much. Hey, rice. All sorts of different types of rice. Hey, making the chorizo sausage. Look at these guys go. That's what those little balls are. This, folks, is how you make sausages. Sausage skins. It's basically, well, I think these ones are. It used to be sheep's intestines. I'm not sure what they use here, but they do look like intestines of some sort. I don't think they have sheep here, so I don't know. As they keep saying, very hot in the Philippines. No, not wrong.